Well, good morning, and it's a lovely morning. It's me again. Now I'm off to a ploughing match this morning, off to the Weald, which is in my neighbourhood, about 20 minutes away. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, think about subscribing. Got the tractor on the back, as you can see. It's all ready to go. Let's have a look. There you go. Look, there you go. It's all ready to go, and I'm on the journeys now. So thanks a lot again. See you at the Weald ploughing match. Cheers. Bye. morning.
Morning.
How are we doing this morning?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yeah, what we playing with today?
A Massey Ferguson 135 and a Fergie 2.
Let's walk this way because the noise of my tractor.
Yeah.
Go on.
Second time ploughing, so hopefully won't go wrong. Fingers crossed.
Well, if anything's like Romney Marsh the other week when the ground was rock hard and you couldn't get the plough in, but this seems a nice bit of ground here, doesn't it?
Yeah, we've had a bit of rain as well, so hopefully it'll be nice and soft. Yeah, see how things go.
Yeah. What was your name and where'd you come from, mate?
Jack, and I come from Staplehurst.
Cheers, Jack. Thanks for your time. Good morning. One of my subscribers, I understand.
We are indeed.
Indeed. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin and?
Kane.
Kane. Do you like the channel?
Yeah.
Good. You wish you be well today?
We are, aren't we?
Yeah. Have you got a tractor of your own or anything?
Yeah.
1959 Fords and Dexter.
Oh, right.
Just finished restoring it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, hopefully next year.
My name's Dolly.
Yep.
We'll come round and perhaps film it then.
Yeah.
Yeah? If I see me before the end of the day and I'll give you a card.
Yeah, no.
And we'll come round and you can talk us about your tractor then, yeah?
Yeah, that'd be good.
That'd be great. So it's always great to meet me subscribers because, you know, you don't often see them.
No, that's it.
But,
good day out.
Yeah, it'd be a good day. So tell us your name and where you come from again.
I'm Kevin, and this is Kane. We're from Faversham.
Thanks for your time, Kevin.
I live
Cheers.
in Morton and I go to school in Canterbury.
Fantastic. Cheers. Have a great day. Morning, guys. What brings you to the ploughing match today?
Our little boy, who absolutely
What's your little boy's name?
Henry. This is Henry.
Henry. You enjoying the day, Henry? Been good? Nice day out. Daddy will buy you a cake in a minute. All right? That'd be good, wouldn't it, eh? And what's your names?
James.
James?
Becky.
Thanks for coming along. Cheers. Where are you from, guys?
We're from Canterbury.
What's your name, mate?
Gary.
Gary, where are you from, Gary?
Lanningsbury.
And you watch my videos?
Yes, I do.
And you're one of my best subscribers?
Oh, cool, mate, yeah.
Yeah, and you like every video I make, didn't you?
Yes, I do, mate,
Yeah, great stuff. It's always nice to meet the subscribers.
I've got an old Nuffield as well.
Have you?
I spoke to you down Paddock Wood.
Oh, I've been to come round to see you. So
Yeah.
I'm in at Alston Den, not that far away from you, am I?
No, I'll have to, I've got to get it sorted out.
Yeah, message me on my YouTube channel
Yeah, I will.
and I'll come round to see you.
Or I'll drive it up to you.
Yeah, that'd be
It'd be
fantastic.
nice to get it out on the road.
Yeah. All right then. Well,
Right,
cheers.
Bobby.
What's your name again?
Gary.
And you're from
Landingford.
Landingford.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. How we doing, guys? We enjoyed
Right.
today?
Thank you.
Yeah. What's your names?
Jules.
Lenny.
And where'd you come from?
Horseman's End.
Alston Den, same as me.
Yeah.
So we're only just up the road from you, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're enjoying the day, though, aren't you?
Oh yeah, we come every year.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, wouldn't you?
Will do.
And you as well. All right then.
No camera today.
Oh, no camera today, no. Cheers, mate. That's it. Get a roll again for your dad. How you doing? Yeah, good. Giving us some advice, or is she giving you some advice?
No, she's panicking.
She's panicking.
Yeah, because it ain't quite gone right. It's her first time solo, so
Oh.
the block there, have another go.
What's her name again?
Emily.
And where are you from?
Cranbrook.
Cranbrook. Cheers. So what are you doing wrong, Emily?
Everything?
Everything? No, you're not. You look good to me.
Just some
well this end. Like you see, if you look down there, one wheel in the neighbour's furrow. Nice all the way along, gets right to the very end. And I just, it was about 4 inches high. But there you go, I'm quite pleased with it. The ins and outs of this end's quite good. Judges are coming this way. Anyway, I can't talk. Thanks for coming along, do appreciate it. And might see you a bit later. If not, just turn it round. If not, I appreciate you coming. Like, subscribe and all that nonsense. And see you again. Don't forget a comment. Always like a comment. Anyway, thanks a lot. Cheerio for now.